So we are making a on draw gizmos here. This is a Unity event. You just need to make some checks here. If tiles equal null or tiles count equals 0, then you jump out of the method. Otherwise, we make a for each tile logic t in tiles values, gizmos draw cube t word position as the center of the cube, and the size will be the, well, let's make a vector tree 1 times node size. Oh, actually this might fill the whole thing, right? Since the nodes are a node size apart from each other, I think we need to make it like this. By half of a node size. And setting the color for the gizmos. Gizmos color equal color red. Let's see how that looks like. Nice. Okay, so I made a small mistake in the last lesson. Here on the grid, I said -5 to 5, right? Because I thought about the Unity 1 size of value, but I forgot that the plane is very big. The scale, even if it is on scale 1, it is still much bigger than the actual 1 of the Unity unit size. So it's much bigger than that. I think like this. 50-50. Okay. Yeah, like this. So there we go. We have 10,000 tiles.